Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Bukana flagship bridge of Coastal Road of Davao City. I'm here, guys, on this beautiful project. See, people are working there. Look at this beautiful project. I'm here. There's a lot of books here. Look at this beautiful project, guys. This is welcome once again the Bukana flagship bridge of Coastal Road, Davao City. Ang Bukana flagship bridge. It's near to finish. Here. And here. This beautiful project, the Coastal Bridge project. Coastal Bukana Bridge flagship bridge. Flagship una siya, ano ganyan. Rehas. So beautiful bridge, guys. Going there. It's a coastal road connected with this bridge. So beautiful. And they're working there. Here at the Bukana Bridge. Bukana Bridge project. Look at these running boats. Bukana Bridge. So beautiful. Hello everybody, everyone. This beautiful Bukana flagship bridge connected with the Coastal Road bridge project. Look at this. Lapok na dyan, amigo, no? Dili siya lapok. I'm vlogging the Badyo boy. Ha? Hi. Hello. Sabihin mo hello. There's a... They're working. Wala ako dalang pera na. Wala ako dalang sinsilyo, oy. They're asking for money. This beautiful flagship bridge. No? This is a beautiful flagship bridge. We're going there. Asa diretso na dito long. And we will see the next is we will gonna see the people are working here. Look at them. Nag-train the own place. The construction of this Bukana Bridge project. Look at the people over here. People are working there. Look at them. The project site area. Hi! Look at this. How to make this bridge, Coastal Road Bridge. Hmm? Shout out ba?
Shout out. Vlog na, vlog.
Oh. Shout out ba?
Hey guys!
Welcome to Bukana Coastal Road Project. Ha? Ha? Nag-follow ka? Doon ka? Ito nagkita ta dito? Sa Rojas? Ha? I-follow ko? Ha? Reda Subaan. Reda Subaan. Akong YouTube, Reda Subaan. Red. Nakapalo na ka? Oh, katong dito ko sa Rojas. Thank you ha. Naabot ako diri ba? Ha? Shout out guys. The mga followers na ko, ako sa mission worker, they're working here at the Coastal Road Project. Ha? Saan? Next time, magdala ako. Pag makasahod ako. Ha? Wala ko dala. Oh. Ay, dito na dahil mo doon. Mga ko sa Ruas, no? Naglakad ko doon. Baka dito man ko. Taga-Ikulan. Diyan ako sa unahan. Sa Ikulan Terminal. Ako mga followers, shout out followers sa mga construction workers. They're following with me. Ay, naka-follow naman sila. Kung, ha? Tanungin mo ha? Yung iba ba? Nag-chat ka? Oh. At saka yung reels ko. Oh. Look at this. Balik lang ako next day. Balik ko. Diyan lang ako sa bridge. Gusto ko yung ano, kanang ang bridge. Look at guys, how beautiful is this project. Look at these houses. Here, Bukana houses. Oh, ang crane, oh. Oh! Hoy, may nakikilala ko doon, followers, oh. Tanungin mo. Pwede yung lakad doon? Pwede doon? Ha? Ano? Ha? Oh. Oh. Mag-picture tayo? Ano, mag-page? Ha? Oh, friends tayo. Uy, maganda dyan tingnan. Doon man ako sa bridge. Gusto ko yung makita tong bridge dito ba? Nag-vlog ko. Hi guys. Guys, look at this working area. This coastal road. Hi, good morning. Pwede mo pasok dyan. Wala, mag-vlog-vlog lang ako. Hindi pwede. Area. Thank you, sir. Pero, malapit na ito dito, no? Sarado pa man ito dito. Mahuman ni siya this year? Matapos ka ano yung Coastal Road this year? Mura? Dali lang man, or? Guys, thanks for watching. Love you all.
Selfie ka, ma'am?
Ha?
Selfie ka?
Oh.
Sayang, no?
Ano? May video pa man ako. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm here at the Coastal Road project of Davao City.
Sa tagay na, sir. Ay, kaya. Tingnan ka to. Di ka bro.
Oh,
Bawal ang tikad niya mo.
bawal na.
Aba.
Bawal naman daw. Thank you.
Bawal talaga mo.
Sige lang. Ganun man din doon sa Samal Bridge. Lalo na doon. Bawal yung video. Mag-video. Kinabalong ko doon. Pwede man dito, no? Ana lang. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Our construction worker here. Working there. Oh! 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 Ha?